Christian brought us into the toy store and oops, we're looking at Hot Wheels. Why are we looking at Hot Wheels, Christian?
Why not? Have you ever played with Beyblades before?
Found ourselves in what might be the worst design mall ever. There's like a small hallway and a small hallway and then a big center and then like 3 small hallways jutting off of all these small hallways. Unless you know what store you're looking for. I mean, there could be like a flight club in this mall and I would never, this is a terribly organized mall. I don't know who owns this, but I need to talk to whoever owns this and we need to fix this ASAP. The reason I wanted to go to this mall is because apparently there's some half-decent sneaker stores around here and it's literally like 2 blocks away from where Airbnb is. But this mall is designed so poorly that I can't find them. Oh, I like these. You guys give these so much crap. Not you specifically, viewers. Probably Steven. Steven gives these a lot of crap, the Nike M2K Technos. I have 1 pair of these. This might be the best colorway ever released, except for the original cream and orange heel cap. This is incredible, and they're $4,995. It's like $120 and no tax. Wow. I really like these. I could wear this like Celtic stuff. They look like an old man shoe, but sort of like a stylish old man shoe. Like I could be a hipster that likes old man stuff. I mean, I'm pretty much an old man already. I go to bed at 9 o'clock every day. I really, really like these. Worst mall I've ever been to, purely just for the fact that we couldn't find anything. There was supposed to be like an Adidas. I think there was a Nike. We couldn't find them. Walked around for half an hour. Couldn't find them. Whoever owns this mall, organize it better, please. Oh, I am not gonna lie. The time zone here continues to kick my ass. It's like noon and I'm so tired. It's not because I'm jet lagged. Like, I'm aware of what time it is. The problem is my work schedule. I need to upload at 5 in the morning Filipino time, which sucks because I'm up every morning at like 4:30 in the morning, and I'm also up really late editing. It's not the jet lag, it's an unfortunate reality of being on a 13-hour time difference, and I am dead. On the bright side though, we're going to somewhere really cool today. I'm a fan of Nike stores. I'm sure you guys are a fan of Nike stores. This one has been touted as possibly the greatest Nike outlet in Asia. I know I went to a really good one in Hong Kong. That video has almost 1 million views. This one is apparently equal, if not maybe a little bit better in terms of the stock that they regularly get at this outlet. I am, as a result, really looking forward to this. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what kind of shoes there's gonna be there. There might be Jordan Retros, Kobe's, LeBron's, who knows, maybe there's something really, really cool like a customer return or something and we can pick up something sweet. I mean, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good Nike store? It's probably gonna be like 2 hours to get there in Manila traffic, knowing this city. Let's not waste any time, let's get to the Nike store. I am excited. This is a lot of orange. I'm really gonna need to fix my white balance in this store. I look like a pumpkin. That's better, sort of. I do not make this proclamation lightly. I say this with a lot of weight and responsibility to you guys. This might be the best Nike outlet that I've ever been in. This is absolutely amazing. There are at least 8 or 10 pairs of shoes in this store that I really want to buy that I'm gonna have to convince myself not to buy. Let's check these out. I'm not even gonna pretend to be able to do the price conversions on these shoes, but I mean, here we have some 720s for probably a good price. Some really cool invisibility cloak 720s for probably a really good price. These are probably my favorites. This crazy, like shiny emerald green, it looks like a snake. It honestly feels like snakeskin. If you ever held snakes, I used to go running around in the bush as a child looking for garter snakes, so I know what snakes feel like. It actually feels sort of like the stickiness of snakes. I'm sort of making sense right now, right? And then these, the Denim Foamposites. I don't know how much money that is. I think that's maybe like $180 or something like that. But these are really cool. This is where it gets even better over here. We have Laney 5s. Just sitting at the Nike outlet for $79.16, which is $160 or something like that. I'm honestly not good at my conversions. It's still very cool to see these sitting here. This is something I sort of want to pick up. I just didn't want to pay the full Canadian retail price, but this is significantly under retail. There's no tax here as well. The tax is included in the price. I'm saving probably $80, $90, close to $100 if I buy them here. Like, this is significantly under retail for Canada. Then we have so many Special Forces Air Force Ones. I own these. I've never worn these. There's these hideous ones that no one should ever wear with like giant ass Timberland laces. These are not good. And then there's these crazy ones up here. I've seen these at like different outlets before, the purple ones, which, I mean, not a huge fan of these either. I'd go for the clays though. I'd definitely go for the clays. I sort of regret buying these for retail at this point because they have the Ray Allen 7 sitting here as well. I don't know if these are at other outlets. They might be. I don't know for a fact. I love Ray Allen. This is like one of my favorite underrated sneakers that's released this year. And they are for... I don't think they have a price, but they're probably for a pretty good price. Lots of Jordan 33s. Are these the 33s? I think these are the 33s. Lots of Jordan 33s. It's like a red Chicago Bull looking colorway. They have a blue one. They have the Chinese New Year one, which is very cool with that little pattern there. These ones are for around, I think, like 190 or no, like 160. I think. These were sitting at our Nike outlet for a while too. The history of Flight 6s or the Tinker 6s or the Flight 6s. There are so many nicknames. I don't know. They're gray and white and purple. And the bottom is icy. So I'm just going to call them the gray, white, purple, icy bottom Jordan 6s. Boom! Savings. Air Max 97s. They're blue. They say Air Max 97 on the shoe. Not bad. I don't know how much these cost, but I know that they're 25% off of whatever they used to cost. I don't know if there's other aisles. This is very confusing. I can't tell what's women's and what's men's. There might be like more lifestyle and sportswear stuff that way. This is looking very, very good so far. Okay, women's shoes, they have these, which I'm not a crazy fan of, and we're not going to talk about these. I mean, we are talking about them, but I don't want to talk about them anymore because I really, really, really don't pervert the Jordan 1, please, Jordan brand. Leave it the way it should be. But then I want to take a look at the front of the store and probably the best pair of shoes in here, the LeBron 3s. Now, you guys might not care about these as much as I do, but I remember people wearing these in like middle school, and it's just a nice little throwback. They're selling these for $6,800. That's a great price. What in the world? It's like 140 Canadian dollars. I might actually have to buy these if they have a size 12. What in the world? That is such a good price. Surprise, surprise. Tiny people sizes only. It's such a good price. They're like almost $300 in Canada after tax. I double checked, it's 170 Canadian dollars. So I did get a little overly excited. But this is still one of the best Nike outlets I've ever seen. I don't know about you guys, except I thought that was like a pretty good Nike store. There's a giant, like this is Olympic sized swimming pool outside of my Airbnb. It's really beautiful. There's like a pool and then giant towers. This is a very nice place. I don't really swim. I don't really know what I'm doing in the pool. I just sort of thought it would be cool scenery for a transition clip. And in hindsight, the water's really cold and I don't like this at all. I'm finally starting to feel awake, but it's like 5 o'clock in the evening and it's time to get back to work again. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am just loving it here in the Philippines. You know what? The pool wasn't that bad. It was actually sort of refreshing. It's very humid here. It is one of the few negatives is that it is very humid here. Also, traffic is terrible. But besides that, the people are amazing. The food is amazing. Also, the food is very, very cheap. Like I'm getting meals for like $5, $6 on average. Like big meals that would cost you $20 at home are like $5 or $6 here. It is quite incredible. That Nike store was quite incredible as well. I'm just loving my time out here. If you guys have been enjoying these videos, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're part of the Real Fam, I need all you guys to help me out by following me on Instagram at Tom Stefanczyk. That truly does go a long way in, you know, helping brands notice us and helping new people find the videos. That's a great new platform that I want to do a whole bunch of stuff on, and I've been posting a whole bunch of stuff on over the past couple of weeks while I've been out here. This has just been Wow, I don't know what we're gonna get up to for the rest of the time I'm out here, except I'm really looking forward to finding out, because this has just been a great experience so far, and I can't wait to do more. So that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go dry off, take a shower. Maybe I should like dry off after I take a shower. I think that makes more sense. But guys, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. You are seriously my favorite people on earth. Every single one of you. Even, you know what, we'll give Steven a pass today. Steven, I don't hate you today. Tomorrow I can go back to hating you. Guys, you are my favorite. I will see you first thing tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.